Damn, that's straight. You gotta take off that way. See the little feather? Gotta take off into the tail. That's how I say it.
I gotta take off going this way.
No, going that way. Into the wind.
Wind's blowing this way.
Right. And you take off into the wind.
That's what I just said.
You said take off going that way. Yeah, go ahead. I mean, it'll still take off. See, that's how you beat up your plane. What you do with all that damn taxi? Turn around, take that shit off.
I'm trying to get where it's somewhat smooth. Shit.
No, you try to keep your legs. You try to keep your legs from shaking because you're scared.
I ain't scared.
You scared.
You good, Adam?
Yeah, he good. You take it off this way, away from him. Oh shit, it's coming to me. Oh, that flies good. That's a simple plane. No, that shit ain't got no balls.
What's that?
What's that, half throttle? Oh, that flies good. Oh, that's an easy flyer. Man, I thought that was a hot plane, man. That fly like a damn trainer. I don't know why he tried to show off, going to dive the damn thing into the ground. Oh, damn, it just disappeared. Yeah, it flies. 60 size plane, that's not bad.
Nah, that's about right, yeah. You got a 75, it'll be faster, but then gas up.
Well, it's got plenty of juice for that. That's a powerful engine.
Yeah.
But he got it muffled. You put a pipe on that son of a bitch, you're going to pick up another 1,000 RPM. Yep. But that's good for him because he's still on milk. Hey, you want a video while I go get my stuff? I ain't flying.
Want to fly down?
Nope.
Sure?
I can't see it over there. Nice knife tail. Don't be no punk.
Don't be no what?
Don't be no punk.
You gonna see somebody tap the shit.
Nah, when you do a roll, when it's upside down, give it a blip or down elevator, and it'll keep it straight and level. That's some shit they don't teach you. Wrong answer. See, that's why the plane dives. When you're upside down, just give it a bit of down elevator. When you roll it, just beep it up and it'll keep it straight. But that might be too hard for you. That's perfect, 60S. Planes match real good with that 60S. That's right. Quiet, got plenty of power. That engine's a beast. What do you say, yeah, 6 of them?
No, I only got like 3. I got this one. It's the same one in that Sig 4-star 60. I got one left. I'm saving for my top flight Corsair 61 horse I bought the tower.
Yeah, those are good engines. So just hauling that thing around with a little authority. Plus it's quiet. That's the kicker, to have that kind of power and still be quiet.
Yeah.
Now you can't land from that way because the wind's blowing. You
The wind's blowing which way? This way?
Yep. You gotta land the way you took off. Don't worry about the phone.
I'm not worried about the phone.
Where the hell are you going?
I'm just flying out.
I was just stressing this. Because I know how sensitive your ass controls be. That's why I ain't foolish enough to fly his plane.
No, actually,
You toned them down some, I think.
Yeah, toned them down. They're at 50%.
Shit, you breathe on some bitch, a motherfucker on road.
Yeah.
I'm like, you lost your mind. It's fine, this groove's nice. This groove's nice, this is a nice flying plane. And it's actually cold.
Which way I need to come in, Adam?
From the
over
woods, from those woods.
Here? From over here? Where I'm at?
From your right.
Oh, okay.
Because the wind's blowing straight down the runway. Now you're going with the wind. So it should be going a lot faster. Yeah, she cooking. That's a nice plane. Were you trying to land it? Oh shit, just cut the damn motor. That's all, but you dropped right into